Okay guys, today I'll show you how to build the most reliable and cheapest door alarm you've ever seen. All you need for it is such a square or nook, a fixing pin, safety pin, and a short piece of cord or string. Okay, what tools do we need? We need 2 pliers, one saw, a metal saw, some file, scissors, and lighter. Okay, first of all, we cut a little bit of the square. Roundabout, it's 1.5 centimeters here. We can take a file and put those rough ends a little bit down with the file. The next step is very important. You take your pliers and bend the metal on both sides so that the square isn't rectangular anymore. You see? Now we'll take our string and put it in the fixing pin, in the hole, and make a knot. On the other side of the string, we'll take our square and put the string through the hole and make a knot 2 on this side. At last we cut those ends, take a lighter and burn them down a bit. Don't burn yourself. And now we're ready. The bad news, you have to drink some beer every time you check in a new hotel. So you take this side, put it through the holes of the opening mechanism of the cans. Take this one, close it. You go to the door, open it a bit, and put the angle of the square in with this side. You close the door. So if you now open the door, it will fall down securely and make a lot of noise. So let's take the other side of the door. Similar procedure here. You put this in up there and close the door. If someone opens the door now from the other side, it will fall down and make a lot of noise. If you don't have any cans, or you drink wine in the evening in the hotel, you can take your keys, put some dustbin or similar empty vase or something like that from metal or from plastics, put it down on the floor and let your keys fall down on this bin. Okay, always carry this with you if you are abroad. Stay safe and thank you for watching.